Hi, everyone. Joe for JaspysCaseBreaks.com coming at you with a one-box break of 2021 Bowman Chrome Baseball HTA edition. This is random team number 26. At the end, we're going to give away 3 spots in that Hit Parade baseball break. Big thanks to this group right here for making it happen. We only sold 22 spots outright. First of 3 dice rolls, we're going to give away 8 spots. Top 8 after 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11th and final time. So after 11, Darren, Eugene, Chad, Eugene, Jeremiah, Jimmy, and Hojin. Extra spots going your way. You got a buy one, get one opportunity right here, which is nice. Put the rooftop symbols next to your name to indicate you got a one-up, an extra life. Let's flip back over here. All teams are in. Let's do the break itself. Roll it, randomize names and teams. 2 and a 1, 3 times each. 1, 2, and 3. Break itself could be interesting. A little blast from the past. Kind of. 3 years ago? 4 years ago now? 2 and a 1, 3 times for the teams. And 3. All right, no trades, but here's the first half of the list. Here's the second half of the list. What happened here? There we go. And let's print and rip. All right. So we're working from these stacks of boxes right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. If I roll a 5 or a 6, just like I did there, we'll roll again. 1, top box. Good luck. Yeah, that's what John was saying earlier. As his wife's from northern Indiana, so if you're at that age, you might have some offers elsewhere, but chance to spend a summer working in Chicago near the in-laws. Opportunity's probably not going to happen too often, so yeah, so that makes sense. You know, maybe the lucrative offers were also, you know, maybe just an extra year, maybe. You know, I don't think anyone is giving him anything much more than that, but yeah, I mean, you can pick and choose at that age. This card is stuck a little bit right there. All right, we got Yoendrick Pinango. What's he doing lately? Looks like he's just 22, still in the minors. You know, played at the Double-A level by the end of 2024. Still grinding. That's going to go to Hojin and the Chicago Cubs. We got Pablo Abreu. Brewers, Eugene with the Brew Crew. Pablo Abreu still grinding in the minors, I think. Yeah, he's still in the Brewers organization. Well, hasn't played since 2019, so it's like some injuries. We'll see. All right, and the final one is Baron Radcliffe. 151 out of 499 refractor autograph for the Phillies. Phillies, that's going to be for Eugene as well. Let's see. Baron Radcliffe, are you still in the league? He is. Played for the Phillies AA franchise there. Struggled a little bit, but, you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right. Now, a little more importantly, who's going to win those hit parade spots? So let's flip back over here. Let's gather everybody's names. 1 through 30. Third and final dice roll. There's the fresh dice, new list. And it's just not too many winners here, just the top 3. Top 3 after 6. 4 and a 2, 6 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6th and final time. Now 4 through 30, sad times. But keep in mind that we do have a number of these fillers to go, so maybe you can try again next time. We'll try to get them next time. Top 3, we got him this time. Christian, Jeremiah, Chad Daw, got him this time. After 6. Thanks, everyone. Congrats, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully, we'll do another one a little bit later tonight. JaspysCaseBreaks.com. Bye-bye.